welcome to your science class. Students, in the last class, we have done the chapter number 8 from your Connect to Science book for class 1, that is food for health. We have done the spellings as well. So now today in this video, we are going to do some objective type of question and answers on page number 39. Now let's see what is written here. Exercise time. So the first exercise is tick the correct answer. So we will tick the correct answers from the given options. First tick in the box and then write that correct answer here in the blanks given and fill in the blanks to complete the proper sentence. Let's start, students. So number 8, tick the correct answer. Number 1, we get food from dash. So students, do we know that we get fruits from plants or animals, or both A and B, that is plants and animals? We get food from both plants and animals. We get fruits and vegetables from plants, pulses from plants, and from animals we get fish, egg and meat. So this is C is the correct option. So we are going to tick on C and then we are going to write here both plants and animals. See students, I have not written both A and B, but since it's a fill in the blank, so I have written the full sentence. We get food from plants and animals. So we will turn to the page number, we'll turn the page to page number 40. So here we have some more. So number 2 is animals gives us A is milk, B is eggs and C is fruits. So we get milk from animals. So milk is the correct option. So we are going to tick here milk and we are going to write milk on this blank to complete the sentence. Done, students. Animals give us milk. It completes the sentence. Number 3, never waste your dash. So A is food, B is water and C is both A and B, that is both food and water. So we know that we should not waste our food as well as we should not waste water. So never waste your both food and water. We will write. So first we are going to tick here both A and B. And then we are going to write here food and water, not both A and B. So done, students, never waste your food and water. So we should not waste our food as well as water. Number 4, eat lots of dash. So option A is fruits, option B is vegetables and C is both A and B. So we should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. So both. Again we will tick on option C. The green box just beside option C, we will going to tick that and then we are going to write fruits and vegetables here in the blanks to complete the sentence. See students, I have completed writing. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Number 5, we must drink plenty of dash. So what do we want to drink? We must drink plenty of milk or water or none of these. So it's water. So we are going to tick on water, option number B, and then we are going to write water here. W-A-T-E-R, water. So we must drink plenty of water. That completes the sentence. Next, let's come to exercise B. That completes exercise A. We are done with exercise A, ticking the correct answer. Now exercise B on page number 40. Exercise B says fill in the blanks. So here we have a help box, green color help box. So we are going to choose the options from here. Tick the options and then write the options in the blanks to complete the sentence. So see the first one, Food makes us dash and strong. So food makes us healthy and strong. We have read in the chapter. So we have ticked here or above healthy, and we are going to write here healthy. And that completes the sentence. So number 1 is food makes us healthy and strong. Next, number 2. We must drink dash every day. So what we must drink? Milk. So we are going to tick on milk, and then we are going to write here milk to complete the sentence. Completed. So we must drink milk every day. Number 3, we should dash the water before drinking. So what we should do the water before drinking? Filter it. So we should filter the water before drinking. Let's write filter inside the blanks. So done, students. We should filter the water before drinking. Next, number 4. We must drink dash of water. So we must drink plenty of water. So we will tick on plenty, and we are going to write plenty to complete the sentence. And thus completed. Next, last one, number 5. Sugar gives us dash. So we all know that sugar is a energy giving food. So sugar gives us energy. So we are left with the option energy. We are going to write here energy. So we are completed with exercise A and exercise B, that is fill in the blanks. Next we come to exercise C, that is true and false. So here we have, it is good to drink milk daily. Is it a right statement? If right, then we are going to write true beside it. If wrong or incorrect statement, we are going to write false beside it. So this is a correct statement. It is good to drink milk daily, at least 2 glasses of milk daily. So we have read in the chapter, so this is the correct statement. We are going to write here true. T-R-U-E, true. Let's write. See students, I have finished writing true. So number 2 next, green vegetables are not good for health. Is it true or false? It's incorrect. So we are going to write false here. That is done. Now next is sugar, ghee and oil are bodybuilding foods. No, we have read in the chapters, sugar, ghee, sweets, oil are energy giving food. They gives us energy to work and play. So again it's an incorrect statement. So we are going to write here false. F-A-L-S-E. Next, it is good to eat uncovered food. Is it correct statement? No, it is very unhealthy to eat uncovered food, because uncovered food may give us illness. Okay, it is very unhealthy and we may fall sick. So again it's an incorrect statement. We are going to write here false beside it. The last one is, it is good to wash your hands before and after eating. So we all know that we should wash our hands before eating for 2 minutes and after eating as well. So this is a correct statement. We are going to write true beside it. So the first one was true, then second one false, third one false, fourth one false, and the fifth one is again true. With this we have completed exercise C. So students, you are also going to do similarly. From exercise A, tick the correct answer. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Exercise C, true and false. So students, solve the task for today. Solve the objective type question and answers. In the next video, we will come with more objective type question and answers. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.